The initial command to type here signifies a list. Do it first. Your introduction has been successfully added to the list. Now, let's proceed to make the complete list. And what's next on your journey? What intriguing options will you discover in the updated list now? Click to explore the next place. Click on the right arrow given below. Do it now. If I click on this option, then I will proceed to click on this specific button. Now, if I go ahead and click on this next one, so I click on this. Now, if I click on this option, then I will proceed to click on this one. Okay, similar to how the root directors operate. Look. Are you seeing this? Allow me to handle this task in a more thorough way. Can you enlarge this for me? What does it look like? Feeling unwell today. What's up, Jai? Rathaji? This is the root directory of the file system, which means it functions as the main folder that contains all other directories. All right, I will check it out on the Lion system specifically designed for Windows operating system. We will definitely go. You will notice a bright red color located at the top of a lion-like structure in the system. Can go back. Reverse. As you approach the tree, take a moment to examine this jar closely. It appears very beautiful, but give it a try and see if you can open it. Stay open-minded and receptive. This director has both a playful dog and a curious cat roaming in his imagination. There are multiple files stored within the system. Additionally, there are two distinct folders, two specific files named Lion and Tiger. There are three important files located between the tiger and the dog. Now, move it forward. They advance in this way. The first command that is used very frequently in command line interfaces is called the ls command. So what exactly is the ls command? We compile a detailed list of the directory contents. Kindly compile a detailed list of all the items you currently have in your house and share it with me for review. What commands does it include? It includes the ls command. If your current directory has a current folder and it contains cats, then two addresses for the cats will appear. Loyal animals like tigers are fierce protectors, and if you are on the opposing side, then dengue fever may arise. Just like other systems, it is indeed case sensitive in its operation. The meaning of sensitive has become uppercase and lowercase, which refers to all your capital and small letters. The command is entirely yours here, but the sensitive matter at hand will become very troubling if you do not handle it with care and discretion. If you don't write it in small letters, it's essential to use small letters. Otherwise, if you opt for capital letters, it could cause confusion or misinterpretation. What did I say? What are you trying to ask? All right, so this is what it comes down to.